Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Kart-It. I'd like to start the episode off by thanking Go Power Sports. They've been really great experience working with those guys, and they've helped us find everything we need. Thank you everybody for voting in the poll. By landslide, black and red won, and it's going to look amazing. So we're going to start the video off by stripping this thing down, taking all the parts off of it, and getting it ready for paint. So let's get started. So we got everything off the mini bike. Now we're going to strip the whole paint off. Frame's all stripped now. Let's throw some primer on it. Primer's on. Let's get some color on it. We got the mini bike loaded up in the car. We're on our way to see my buddy Stefan. He's gonna put some pinstripes on it for us.
Hello, MTV. I'm Stefan Schultz and this is my crib. This is MTV Cribs, right? No?
Kart-It.
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 Kart-It. Cribs is coming next month. How you doing? I'm Stefan Schultz. I'm a pinstriper, sign painter / graphic design artist. You can find me on Instagram at beyond_repair. And today I will be painting the Kart-It Special Edition mini bike just for you. After looking over the parts, I come up with a rough draft. We're going to be doing some traditional pinstriping on the frame and forks in red and white, and we're going to do a main focal point on each side of the gas tank.
Mini bike's painted, got most of the pinstripes done. We're gonna leave it here with him, get a little more done on it.
We're going to be doing something very special for you and everyone involved right here on the side of this very tank.
So in the next video, we're gonna put it back together, reassemble everything, do a final reveal. It's gonna look amazing. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more on this build.
Somewhere in this general area.
There's some buttons around here somewhere.
There's like Technology is unbelievable.
So until next time, guys.
Thank you. Area right here.
In the next video.
Special thanks.
Ow. I thought you were.
Beautiful tank back, which I will be gracing with my artistic goodness. Some lettering, probably some more pinstripes, maybe even some flames. Right to you, directly. Like this whole episode can just be like, you can just say I ruined it.
Just be like, bro.
He wouldn't stop talking.